Hello, welcome. I guess question 8 will not waste your time. The answers are easy to spot out. We have to consider the following statement. P is talking about the weather is warm, and Q is talking about the sun is what? Shining. So which of the following correctly represent the statement? The sun is shining. That is positive for what? For Q. If and only if equivalent condition. The weather is what? Warm. The weather is warm. It's also positive for what? P. So both are positive. So let's check. If you look at the answers being presented, you can easily see the ones that have a negation. That's a negative statement. These have a negative statement. Negative, negative. It is only the D that has no negative. So let's look at the D and see whether it represents what we have. It must represent the sun is shining as positive for Q, if and only if that of the P is correct. So let's see. Q is beginning. The sun is shining. Q says the sun is shining if and only if P is also having the weather is warm. So no need stressing ourselves trying to understand all of them. This is positive, negative, and negation. This would have been that what? The sun is not shining. This is also negation. So we only go for the option what? D as our preferred word answer. Like, share, comment, and come back for question 9.